What's the meaning of beef tomato? Beef tomato. Beef tomato.
Beef tomato. Beef tomato. A beef tomato, also known as a beefsteak tomato, is a large variety of tomato that is typically used for slicing and eating fresh. The name beef refers to the size and weight of the tomato, which can sometimes exceed a pound in weight. These tomatoes are known for their rich flavor and meaty texture, making them a popular choice for sandwiches, burgers, and salads. They are also often used in cooking, particularly in Italian cuisine, due to their low water content and firm flesh. Overall, the beef tomato is a versatile and delicious ingredient that adds a savory touch to many dishes.